So here's a quick look at the PHF King Size Comforter set with the 2 shams. Everything else is our own personal stuff. We're about to move into a new place, and so we wanted to get a new set, but we're testing it out here in our current home. But first, something about the packaging.
I don't usually show the packaging, but for something that's online, I thought it was really done well, especially if it's for something like your comforter. So I want to thank PHF for sending us this sample so we can try it when we move, bless you, into our new house. And there's even a little thank you card. It's the little details that make it extra different from other brands. So we really like PHF's style.
So that was more about the packaging. We're gonna take a closer look. The 3 things I want to talk about specifically in order of most important to me to the least important to me is the number 1, material. Now I did notice a lot of people online saying that the durability wasn't strong. I mean, I put it right in my wash first thing. You can see here it's 100% cotton, and I think a lot of people, like I used to, don't follow the instructions. So you must, let me zoom in here more, cold water and gentle cycle. So for me, what I did was put it on low tumble and low heat. Yes, it does take longer, but it was important for me to have 100% cotton and not polyester. Now, the comforter itself is a beautiful, nice soft, and it's got this nice texture. I'm going to zoom in here for you guys, turn on the light so you can see better. It's got this really nice texture on the comforter, and it adds kind of a sheer quality to it. And the bottom here is more soft and plain, where the top is more textured but feels nice on the skin. On the comforter itself, let's see if I can show you. Right here, perfect. So the material on the outside is cotton, the shell, but the filling inside, which you don't feel, is polyester, which is okay for me. I just didn't want polyester to touch the skin. We wanted anything that was touching the skin to be cotton. We washed it on its first install. We didn't have it on the bed without first washing it, just in case. It's just a good thing to follow. And this is a king size pillow. So you can see it's got little, I guess what you would call frills. I don't know what you would call it, but it looks nice. And we wanted something natural, so I'm glad PHF sent us this specific color. It is the natural color, and it matches our theme, color theme on our wall with the sage green and the natural color, so it looks really nice. It does just come with these 2. And the second thing I like about that I had already mentioned was the texture of the material. It's not just a plain material. So again, that's number 2. And the third thing I really like about this is the value for the money. For something that looks this good, you expect to pay a lot more, but the value price makes it a great deal for us. So we're happy about that. We would probably get this another comforter for our kids in a different color, because we're really happy with the quality. And you can see here the stitching. I gotta zoom in for you here so you guys can really see it. On that side, and on this side. So you can see some parts here. But on the whole, really nice stitching. And the biggest part is the softness of the inside. So I believe those who have been complaining in the reviews about the comforter or shams not lasting has to do with the way the they were washed. I mean, I don't know how it would rip on a wash unless something was done too aggressively. But on this one, you can see it does fit our bedroom really nicely. We're really happy with it, and we can't wait to use this in our new home. So I hope this answers a lot of the questions you were thinking about for this comforter set. And again, a closer look at the different sizes for the pillows. This one over here is a smaller king size, but not as fluffy. The fluffy big ones for king size fit it perfectly. I do these kind of reviews all the time, whether it's for home, DIY, or dad life. That's the kind of videos I do. So if you like that kind of stuff, please follow the channel, and thank you for your time.